This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English pronouns question. So we see here in this underlined part, this whom was. We're going to want to take this whom was and apply it back to this Allied Submarine Devices Investigation Committee. Oof, that's a mouthful. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to see which pronoun will effectively allow us to modify this committee. So let's look at the first choice. This first choice has whom. So whom is very uncommonly used in spoken English, but it's something that refers back to an object. So since this allied committee is doing an action, it's obtaining from science and technology, we can't use a whom because it won't allow it to function as a subject. So that's going to be wrong. Let's look at choice number 2. Choice number 2 uses a who here instead of a whom. Who is a little better because it'll still allow it to function as a subject doing this object, this verb phrase. But you have to remember it's a committee, and a committee is an entity. It's not a person. We only use who when we want to have a person. So this is going to be wrong. Choice number 4 also uses who, so that's also going to be wrong. Choice 3 is going to be best because it uses this which is something we'd use for something that's not a person. So which is going to be the best thing to modify this committee, which is not a person. So let's go with which.